Welcome back guys to another video. That's your boy Luke. Today I'm going to show you how to deliver our food without have the customer pin number on UberEATS. When it comes to delivery with pins, most of the customer always forgot they set up a pin. They don't come out. You text them, they don't answer. You call them, they don't pick up the phone. So in that case, you have to find a way to mark this order as delivery. So the trick I'm gonna show you, don't use it in the wrong way. So if you're not at the customer house, don't mark this order delivery, okay? Don't use that trick. Make sure you're at the right location and this is the customer house number, and if it's not come out, and you're gonna use this trick. And always take a picture to back up if something happened. If next day the customer come out, he say then we see the food, you know what house you have been delivered the food. Now it's time to show you how to deliver our food without have the customer pin. So when you get to the restaurant, after you pick up the food and you select in delivery, you're gonna see if this order required pin or not, because you're gonna see a blue little tab next to this red one. If you don't see this blue tab next to the red one, that's mean this order doesn't require pin to delivery. But if you see it just let you know in advance. When you get to the customer, you need to ask the customer for their pin. So what are you gonna do when you get to the customer house? You're gonna click enter pin. After you click enter pin, it's gonna take you right here where you say ask for the pin, and he's gonna say whatever name of the customer right here as a pin in their UberEATS app. So right here you can click I have the pin or a pin works. That's for people want to learn more or a pin works. You can always read more about it, but for now, what pin you're gonna click I have the pin. After you click I have the pin, it's gonna take you right here where to enter the customer pin number. So what you're gonna do when you come right here, you're gonna click I need help. When you click you need help, you're gonna see call support, chat with support. Don't worry about this. I want you to click can confirm pin. When you click in can confirm pin, it's gonna take you right here can confirm pin, and I want you to read the second paragraph right here where you say if you still can confirm the pin, if you already left the customer, you can mark the order deliver or call support, and they will mark the order delivered for you. Did you see that? You don't really need the customer pin to mark our order delivery. You can just go ahead, follow the instruction I just show you, boom, and you're getting paid. So why you be careful in those two options they give you below. If you cancel delivery, you're not gonna get paid. I'm telling you that right now. The only way you can get paid if you call support, they probably gonna help you. I don't know what they're gonna do for you. Probably they can do something for you if you explain the situation, okay? But when you get there, click and deliver it, and that's it. This is all you do it. You deliver our food without have the customer pin number. It's very straightforward. Make sure you don't click and cancel delivery like I told you. Just click and deliver and you get paid easy. If you are new to this channel, make sure you like this video, you subscribe, and you leave a comment below, and see you to the next video for another tutorial on UberEATS.